Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Scale Up. In this quick tutorial, I will show you how you can move or how to move a message to a spam and on Messenger. It's super easy. Let's get started. Open up your Messenger app and then find that message that you want to add in spam. So you have to do is on iPhone you can simply swipe it to the left, or in Android you can simply tap on it or hold on the message, and then you will see a menu over here. But in iPhone you will see more option. Click on that, and then you will see over here the fourth option. Click on that, and then it's gonna be added in spam, and then it's gonna be removed from here, and that's it. And whenever you receive any message from this person, it will not show you. So that's it. That's how you can do it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like my video, subscribe my channel Scale Up, and also drop me a comment for more tips and tricks videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.